join me in welcoming the radiant influencer, Coach Tony Miranda.
Thank you. Bakit ko lang yan sa inyo? Parang ang sandali pag dumilighay kayo na nararamdaman mo. Okay? Alright. Now, alam ko naman pero sinarili mo lang. You're not even planning. Tawag yung purpose-driven leadership pag isa namin. Okay. Sabi natin intentionality to always represent for help and so on. Okay? So that's very important. Dapat, but very few, or maybe none, in our subjects are helping us to understand who we are. Can we just do this? Bakit ko lang? Yeah, so yan. Kung ikaw ang asset, di ba? Kung ikaw ang asset, naintindihan mo. Diba? Kung ano man yan sa pero meron, di ba? Meron kayong mga secret na. I-keep nyo lang yan kasi ma-apply mo yan sa mga ibang way.
People, the way you behave and react kapag may...
You're not able to influence them solely with your words. Okay, malaki pag-asa. Bakit? Yung hair mo pa ang haba, ang pattern ng tingin ng mata pababa. Yung palagi, ang credible. Kung sinungaling ka nga. Is to also communicate to your people. Okay? Alright, now let's go to well-being. At least malaman na natin yung mga tira. Anong sagot mo sinabi mo? Patawarin mo na. So how do we do that? Lead by example. Kaya kanina, di ba, ang turo ko sa inyo? So sila tapos na. See? Mas mabilis mag-grow. So, there you go. I've just presented the VINE principle and I hope you will remember. And I have a question for you. Siyempre, may VINE to develop sustainable and purpose-driven leaders. Take home that question and sit together, plan out. Don't just grow. Tama? They cultivate, and like a vine, they anchor in purpose, stretch toward impact, and bear fruit that nourishes generation. Hindi ka din and dyan. And of course, because of that, yung lesson ngayon, let's lead with vision, integrity, and empowerment. Because true leadership is not about how far you climb, but how many you empower to multiply their potential. And you won't be able to do that alone. Our strength and power is limited. So I'd like to inspire you, John 15:5. I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. And can I just tell you, I'm just so proud. I have anchored on this vine. Hindi ako bumitaw. And it's the very reason why I'm
Thank you so much. Achievers Leadership Summit 2025. Awarded this 20 round of applause for our very beautiful speaker, Coach Tony. Maraming salamat, Coach Tony.
Management consultant, OD practitioner, entrepreneur.